So first, how can you tell if you have bad breath? Here are 2 simple ways to check. Number 1. Stick out your tongue and lick the back of your wrist or hand. Wait about 10 seconds, then give it a sniff. If it smells bad, you've got your answer. Number 2. Smell the inside of a mask or face covering you just wore. That can also give you a pretty honest clue. Or, if you're feeling brave, breathe toward a friend and watch their reaction. Bad breath, also called halitosis, comes in 2 main types: temporary and more serious ones. Let's start with the temporary kind, the kind you bring on yourself. This happens when you eat strong-smelling foods like garlic, onions, or spicy meals, then don't brush your teeth well afterward. Or if you smoke or drink alcohol and skip good oral care. Food particles stay in your mouth, bacteria break them down, and hello, bad breath. Also, if you eat a big meal right before bed, you might wake up with that classic morning breath. All of this is called physiological bad breath. The good news? It usually goes away if you just improve your daily oral hygiene. Now, the more serious type is called pathological bad breath. This one doesn't go away easily and has 2 main causes. The first is mouth-related, also known as oral origin bad breath. This makes up about 80 to 90% of cases. It's usually caused by gum disease, cavities, heavy tongue coating, or other dental issues. If this sounds like you should see a dentist. They can fix the root problem. The second type comes from inside the body, called non-oral bad breath. This can be caused by sinus problems, acid reflux, stomach issues, or other medical conditions. In this case, you'll need to see your regular doctor or the right specialist to solve it from the source. Here's an easy way to tell the difference. Close your mouth and breathe out strongly through your nose. If you can still smell the bad odor, it's likely the non-oral type coming from inside your body. If the smell is mostly when you breathe through your mouth, it's probably coming from your mouth. So, what can you do in daily life? Besides seeing a dentist or doctor when needed, here are some simple habits that help a lot. Brush your teeth twice a day, morning and night. Floss every day. Rinse your mouth after meals to clear out food bits. Gently brush or scrape your tongue, especially the back part, where a lot of bacteria like to hide. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Cut back on smoking and heavy drinking if possible. Eat lighter, easier to digest foods in the evening, and take care of your stomach. And remember to keep a good balance between work and rest. When you feel good physically and mentally, it usually shows. Bottom line, nobody wants to be the person with breath that makes others step back. Taking care of your mouth helps you feel more confident every day, whether you're at work, on a date, or just chatting with friends. If your bad breath doesn't improve even after brushing and flossing regularly, go see your dentist first. Most of the time, they can solve it pretty quickly. That's it for today. Keep your breath fresh, everyone.